Hello everyone, we are Happy Crew from the ELCHK Yuet Lutheran Secondary School. We have recently created a video featuring Marty's robot dancing.
First, the song we use for the dance is Allergy. This song reflects the insecurity and lack of self-love experienced by the general public. We hope that the audience can understand the meaning behind the song.
Second, the background for our dance is the stage of America's Got Talent, as we wanted to make the performance appear more realistic and to honor the most famous talent show of the world.
During our initial preparations, we created some dance moves that were simple and less energetic. However, in order to improve the performance, we decided to modify some of the steps to make them more in sync with the music.
Moreover, the outfits of the robots were all designed by us. We hope that the refreshing and gorgeous look will enhance the quality of the performance.
We truly believe that the dramatic elements will appeal to the audience, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Welcome back to the Marty's Got Talent. Next up is a dance performance of Allergy by Happy Crew.
얼굴 없는 feed, party 날리는 followers. I'm head of Instagram, head of TikTok. Lock 걸린 gallery. 볼품 없는 feed, 뭔데 운동도 안 하고. 메이크업은 나도 못하고. 그래 난 내가 봐도 별로인 걸. Oh my, oh my. 빌어먹을 my name. Why you pretty, why you lovely, why you sexy, why am I me? Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, why? Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, why? She's so pretty, yeah, so lovely, she got everything. Why am I not her? Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, but 빌어먹을 내 거울 allergy. La 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, 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 la 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 la,
Whoa. This magnificent performance deserves the golden buzzer.